Very fun. Very nice size. Very well done. Very nice. Well done. Oh,
Very nice.
very nicely done. Well done.
Right. Good one. Good one.
Oh, a little bit more.
Fantastic. Very good.
Oh,
Beautiful, beautiful. Wow.
okay. Fantastic, beautiful.
Thank you.
All right, come, let's go. What number fish is this? Number 3?
Number 3.
Number 3, yeah. Again. Oh,
yeah.
okay, finally. Oh, nice. Nice fish, nice one. Oh, nice one. Okay, you got to bring him up. Oh, not too high, not too high. Okay, perfect. Okay. Up a bit more. Oh, already. Fantastic. Well done. Now you're catching up. What number is this? 3?
3.
Fantastic. Really, really fighting, huh? Oh, where is it? All right. Oh.
Barra Monday. Sea bass.
Okay. Gotta go in.
you.
Okay, all right.
You go back, you reel.
Yeah,
pull.
perfect.
Pull.
Pull some more. Pull some more.
Pull.
Well done. Beautiful.
Good.
All right. Oh, nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Okay, lift him up. Up. Oh, nice.
Slowly.
Slowly. Beautiful. Well done. Well done.
I think he got 4.
Oh, yes. No?
Not yet. Let me try.
Okay, so try to take it up from the side and...
Go.
Oh, there we go. Well done, well done.
Okay. The drag is just nice, huh? Okay.
Nice one, nice one.
Thank you. Very big.
Fantastic, fantastic. That is very big. He's running, he's running. Oh, he's running. Careful. Come here. Come here. Walk here. Careful. Oh, no. Pull this in. Pull. Come on. Pull. Yeah, beautiful. Well done.
Very strong. Yeah.
Oh, it's swimming here. Whoa! Nice one. Way to go.
Wow.
You okay? You tired yet? You're tired. What if it's a big GT? Careful. Wow. Beautiful.
Thank you.
Well done, man. Well
Thanks so
done.
much. No problem.
Fantastic. I think he's good. Yeah, he's very strong still. He's good. Fantastic. Continue.
Okay, stop. Pull. He's going to the pipe. Pull.
Careful. Pull. Oh. Okay, Takahashi, you gotta fight.
Then reel. Okay?
Continue. Yes, correct. Well done.
Okay, pull the line. Wow.
Fantastic. Beautiful.
Okay,
Well
you
done.
can see the fish.
Beautiful. Well done. Well done. Beautiful. Well done. Well done. Good exercise. Oh, very nice and big. Look at that.